6 reasons why you should relocate. If you're thinking about skipping town and heading to the big city because you're fed up with a limited number of gigs in your rural area, but need a little extra incentive to relocate, here are 6 reasons to sway you to do just that. Here's the first reason you should relocate. Major cities like Los Angeles and New York have castings literally everywhere. Of course, you should be careful and ensure you're dealing with promising gigs that will give your career a jumpstart in the right direction. Proceed with caution and make sure you're on the lookout for red flags as you scour the web for nearby listings. But despite all the bad and questionable opportunities, there are so many that can go right and be well worth it. So relocating to these big cities can have big rewards. Here's the second reason you should relocate. Big cities are where the action is. And it's not only where the action is, but it's where you're sure to eventually get your career off the ground. You can get started on a smaller scale in a local market, but you'll only be able to make it so far before biting the bullet and moving to somewhere that you're sure to find larger scale opportunities to get your name in print. When you relocate to bigger markets, you will see your career start to climb. Here's the third reason you should relocate. It's easier to rub elbows with the right people in major cities. These are the hotspots where producers, directors, and well-known actors tend to hang out. So you're more likely to be able to attend events that they're at once you relocate versus staying in smaller markets. Networking is everything in entertainment. You should always want to do anything you can to make an impression and get your name out there. And by there, that typically means in Hollywood or New York City. Here's the fourth reason you should relocate. Bigger markets equal bigger opportunities. It's just that simple. You might get a role in an indie or a student film close to home, but if you're looking for bigger opportunities, it's more than likely bound to take place where big budget films do, in major cities. If you want to jumpstart your career, it makes sense to position yourself in the markets that book these projects. Here's the fifth reason you should relocate. When you take the jump to relocate to a major city, you'll find you have much larger access to resume building resources through the form of workshops and classes. These are highly common and sought after in big cities, so you'll find a broad range of topics, and you'll be sure to find something that you're particularly interested in pursuing. Between this and the social networking setting they provide, they'll be sure to help you advance in your career and upgrade your status among the entertainment community. Here's the sixth reason you should relocate. Another exciting reason to relocate to a larger market is that there's so much more to take in entertainment-wise. There are premiere parties happening constantly, runway shows, red carpet events, and many other must-sees. If you want to truly be in the middle of all the action while upping your chances of being seen, you'll have to opt in to packing your bags. It's not an easy decision to leave the life you know behind and take a gamble in hopes that a move to a major city will pay off. But all that's happening in the entertainment world is happening under those big, bright, magical city lights. It's time to relocate, take a chance, and find out what you've been missing. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.